I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Google Pay app, open it, and confirm you're signed into the Google account that holds the profile. Tap your circular avatar at the top right to open profile options. This is the fastest path. You do this because the avatar links account-level info and photo settings. Once done, make sure app permissions for contacts and storage are allowed. Otherwise, the app may not display images. This initial check prevents common visibility problems before you continue. Now you're viewing the profile card. Look for the name, email, and avatar image. If you see a generic silhouette, you need to verify whether the photo exists on your Google account. Tap Manage your Google account to confirm. You do this because Google Pay pulls the picture from your account when linked. If multiple accounts appear, switch to the correct one using the drop-down. This resolves mismatches. Take a moment to sync account data if the image just changed elsewhere. Finish by confirming the photo on your Google account. If it's absent, upload a clear image and wait a few minutes to sync. Then return to Google Pay. If the avatar doesn't update, force close the app and clear cache, or reinstall to refresh cached account data. If problems persist, make sure your device has a stable network and Google services aren't restricted. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and sign back in with the same account to trigger a full refresh of profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.